Hey everyone, welcome to the Design Patterns series. Today we're starting with one of the most popular creational patterns, the factory method. By the end of this video, you'll understand what problem this pattern solves, how it works, and how to implement it in TypeScript. Let's dive in. Imagine you're building a logistics app. In the beginning, you only deliver things by truck. So your code looks like this, a simple truck delivery class that handles road transport. Your app uses this truck class everywhere. It works great, until your boss says, we need to support ships too. Now you have a problem. The word truck delivery is scattered across your entire code base. Adding ship delivery means changing code everywhere. And if tomorrow you need drones or trains, you'd have to rewrite things again and again. The core issue is this: your code is tightly coupled to one specific class. Every time you use new truck delivery, you're hard coding a decision that should be flexible. The factory method pattern says, don't create objects directly with new. Instead, define a method. A factory method that creates objects for you. Subclasses then decide which exact object to create. Think of it like ordering food at a restaurant. You tell the waiter, I want the main course. You don't go into the kitchen and cook it yourself. The kitchen decides how to prepare it based on the restaurant type. An Italian restaurant gives you pasta. A Japanese restaurant gives you sushi. Same request, different results. Let's build this step by step. First, we define what all transports have in common: an interface. Every transport, truck, ship, drone must be able to deliver cargo. That's the contract. Now let's create concrete products that implement this interface. We'll start with our original truck. The truck class implements deliver for road transport. Next, we add the ship for sea routes. The ship class also implements deliver, but with its own logic for crossing the sea. Next comes the key part, the creator class with the factory method. This is where the magic happens. We define an abstract class logistics. It declares the abstract create transport method. It also has business logic, like plan delivery, which uses the factory method to get a transport. Notice, plan delivery doesn't care whether it gets a truck or a ship, it just works with the interface. Now we create concrete creators, subclasses that decide which transport to actually make. Road logistics returns a new truck, while sea logistics returns a new ship. Simple and decoupled. Here is the complete code for the logistics system we've just built. Take a moment to see how all the pieces, the interface, the products, and the creators fit together into a decoupled system. Here's how the client code uses this pattern. We create a function that takes the abstract logistics. The run logistics function works with any logistics type. It doesn't know about truck or ship. Configuration at runtime decides which logistics to use. The rest of the app just runs with it. Look at the output. Everything works perfectly, and we can swap transports without breaking anything. If you add a new transport, say drone logistics, you just create one new class. The rest stays untouched. Use the factory method when you don't know in advance which exact objects your code will need. It's perfect for libraries, where you want to let other developers extend your code with their own products. You can also use it to save resources by returning existing objects from a cache instead of creating new ones. The key benefit is separating the code that creates objects from the code that uses them. Better maintenance. Let's recap. The product interface defines what all products can do, like our transport. Concrete products are the actual implementations, like our truck and ship classes. The creator declares the factory method and contains the core business logic. And concrete creators override the factory method to return specific products. That's the factory method pattern. It's one of the most used patterns in real-world applications. In the next video, we'll explore the abstract factory. It takes this idea even further. See you there.